mast mooring last night. So this is prime seal in Flinders, and it was dark obviously, about 1 o'clock in the morning we found this using navionics. So we've put the little staysail up, ready to go, running preventers on both sides in case, and yeah, looks like it's going to be a big run. We're going to try to go from here, prime seal, to Eddystone, so go through Bank Strait, because the tide looks like it's running out at around midnight, which is to our favour. So anyway, here we go. Just leaving prime seal, and we're heading straight down there. Beautiful conditions, but would like a bit more wind than just 6 knots. But we might get it. This swell's already starting to pick up. You can see the rollers there. Beautiful. Sea state's actually quite good. Winds are still low. Yeah, we're close hauled, or we're in a close reach at least. But no, superb. We're still motor sailing because obviously low winds, but we need to get to the Bank Strait at the right time. So that's the way it is. Yeah, nice. White caps. This is gusting to mid to high 20s, and then it settles down later on in the evening. And the plan is to actually leave this evening and do a straight run to Wineglass Bay, because overnight the winds dropped to around 20. We have a weather window. Things have slowed down a bit, so no white caps, so it's around 20. probably a bit less. And where we're going is all the way around and down the east coast. The idea is to either go to Wineglass Bay or even go further to Maria Island, but we are talking about at least 24 hours, so depending on how exhausted we are. It's a beautiful place. Pity that we just copped these storms, which is typical of late, really. Anyway, we'll head off. We could actually put that thing back down. Running the staysail and still achieving over 5.